or a bounce, that's something worth noting down. Your senses are your best tools here. Next, let's look at the details. Focus on the surface you are walking or driving on. Look for large, deep potholes, or any big cracks in the pavement or concrete. Are there any loose pieces of concrete or exposed metal bars, rebar? While being a helpful observer is wonderful, your personal safety must always come first. The most important rule is to be aware of your surroundings, especially the traffic. If you are checking a bridge that has cars, trucks on it, always stay on the designated sidewalk or pedestrian path. Never step into the road to get a closer look at something. Stay a safe distance from the edge of the road, as passing vehicles can be unpredictable. If the bridge doesn't have a safe place for you to walk, it's best to observe it from a distance before you cross, or from a safe spot on the side after you have crossed. Another key to staying safe is to never put yourself in a dangerous position. This means you should not climb on any part of the bridge structure, lean too far over the railings, or go into areas that are blocked off with fences or signs. These restricted areas are off limits for a very good reason. Your goal is to be a casual observer, not a professional daredevil. A good view from a safe, public area is more than enough to spot the most obvious problems. Remember, the point is to help prevent accidents, not to cause one by taking unnecessary risks during your observation. By following these simple safety rules, you can be a responsible and effective community helper without putting yourself in any harm's way. Finally, it's a good idea to do your check during the daytime when there is plenty of light. To wrap things up, let's remember the simple but powerful idea we've talked about. Taking just 2 minutes out of your day to do a quick visual check of a bridge is a small act with a huge potential for good. It's not about being an expert. It's about being an engaged and caring member of your community. You are the person who uses these structures every day, and your eyes are one of the best tools we have for ensuring their continued safety. By knowing the simple things to look for, like big cracks, crumbling concrete, or excessive shaking, you can become part of a nationwide neighborhood watch for our infrastructure. This simple habit of observing, when adopted by many, creates a powerful safety net. It ensures that potential problems are spotted early, long before they can become serious threats. When you notice something that doesn't look right and you take the next step to report it to your local authorities, you are starting a very important chain of events. Your small observation can lead to a professional inspection, timely repairs, and ultimately, the prevention of a potential disaster. It's a testament to the idea that every single one of us has the power to make a real difference in the world. So, I encourage you to try it. The next time you find yourself walking or driving over a bridge, take those 2 minutes. Look around, listen, pay attention. Let's all be the eyes and ears for our communities, ensuring a safer journey for everyone.